I'm falling even more in love with you, letting go of all I've held on to. I'm standing here until you make me